over here. Today we are going to discussion on the terrorism in the Indian territory. Because of that, it's a very concern for the India. Terrorism in the world, they are doing to an anti-humanity in the across the world. We are not only for saying to the India, but we are talking to India. It's a concern for the Indian administration, Indian security guard, internal secretary. Here, here we are talking not only for the cross-border terrorism. Here we are talking to the intra-borders. The region in the India is conducting to work under to the territory after other than to the after to the territory. Those who are conducting to the under to the territory, that is the third type of terrorism. Like we can say that one of the separatist unions that left wing to the terrorism, those who are against to the government, as well as those who are inspired to the Maoists. Second is that those who are fighting for the Jammu Kashmir, those who are local leaders, their thoughts in the different, they are manipulated to the other countries. That's the second type of terrorism. And third one to the Khalistan demanded, Khalistan influencer person, they are doing to the anti-nation work in the India. That is also coming under to the terrorism. Most important is that the nationalism, it is damaging to the more and more in India because of that. It's internal security concerns because of the nationalism. Lots of industry they can't able to stable in the some states. They are in the red line in the terrorism nationalism area like West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. They all are affected to the nationalism. It has a big history in the India. Even that seven sister country, seven sister state, they are also affected to the terrorism, nationalism. There is also internal violence, but they all are the misguided by the other country, other thought in the India. But it's the failure of our governmental as well as administration. But I will say that those who are working across the borders, that is the main concern. Because of that, they all planning happening to the borders. They are having no rituals power. That's what we can say that it's a concern. Then we are talking to India. Indian geographical area is very tough. Because of that, in the west we are attached with Afghanistan and Pakistan, and in the east we are connected to the Bangladesh as well as to Myanmar. So all countries, I took to name all countries are more affected to the terrorism. Because of that, we can say that their literacy rate is very low, as well as religious point of view is the very extreme levels. Even that those who are person they are working on their thought, other person in their field they are killing to that thought. Like ISIS, that is a terrorism group, but ISIS Khorasan, they are killing to the ISIS terrorism. Both are working in India, over to the cross of the borders. Lots of in the Indian students, they are influenced under to the ISI, they are joining to the ISI. That is the concern. Because of that, we are providing to higher level of education. That students they are going to again to join to the ISI, again they are planning to attack in the India. That is the concern for our Indian security guard as well as Indian intelligence. So here is the concerns. We have a need. Our government has a need to work in a very deeply and study to it, as well as directly and indirectly give to the that options and not that thinkings. Most important thing that we can stop to the cross-border terrorism, but we have most focus that stop to the internal terrorism. That will be.
Thank you, Puskar. So Puskar has given his opinion that why terrorism is increasing day by day. Now I would like to listen from your own person that what is your opinion and what is the why is these things are happening. So who wants to go start? Who wants to start? Just start anyone. Yes, Ali, start.
Okay, so there are three main reasons that's why terrorism is increasing day by day. First, it has been since many years that the Kashmir country. considering Pakistan has a Pakistani people and Pakistan are just wanted to keep some part of Kashmir, and that's why the main reason of terrorism that has increased in Kashmir. Second reason is religious extremism. So because jihadi and the communal violence is also a main factor of increasing the
Terrorism.
And the third is poverty, unemployment, and inequality between people and among society. So this is the three main factors because of terrorism increasing day by day. It can be prevented by many of ways, like diplomat. We can improve our diplomatic relations with other countries, and it will help to boost our stability, and it will reduce the power of other countries who has taken part in spreading the terrorism mentally. Second is we can address root cause of terrorism, such as poverty, why it happens, why if some countries are facing problem of unemployment, if some countries are facing problem of poverty, then this is the reason. And if India wants to reduce the attack of terrorism, so India should work on these things. After that, India should increase the border security. India should adopt the technology like drone system, sensor, biometric system. By this case, it can be reduced and it can be prevented also. That's all from my side.
So she has given her opinion. Now next who wants to? Yes.
I think that if this case was happened, then because the awkward easy rule, because terrorism has no fear. If I will do something, then what will happen? If the police catch me the terrorism, then after 4 or 5 days, after 4 to 5 men, all the just fire, all the just release the criminals to the jail. That's why terrorism has no fear. If I will do something, then what will happen? So I will request to our government, please enforce the very tough rule, tough law. That's why this case was closed.
Yes, definitely. I agree with him that definitely we should have to have tough rules and regulations so that and a strong punishment so that we can just control over it. Next who wants to speak? Next who wants to speak? Please speak. Yes, Aditya, what is your opinion?
So the major cause of terrorism is unemployment and unskilled and uneducated youth in our country. Because of their unskilled and uneducated mindset, the other countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan can manipulate the youth very easily, and give them opportunity which has not been given by the country. That if you do this work or you will do this work, I will give you a lot of money and care about your life and give you a luxurious life. After you do this kind of work, and because of that unemployment, because of that mindset, the terrorist group train that youth of our country to eat the country from the inside and to take the revenges from the past by the help of the youth which are occurring in the country. That's from my side.
So he has just made one point also that hypnotization is the help of hypnotization. What happens that the young are hypnotized and they are just doing crime. Another thing is that the person who are just offering this type of thing, they are just giving luxurious life. They are just saying that you will have a name and fame, you will just get lots of money and whatever, just do your family will be secured, your family will not have to think about their money, you will come out from financial you can say that problem also. So these all are just offered by the person who are just you can say that responsible, and just because of that lots of young generations are just coming in that era and they are just doing like that. Now who wants to speak? Yes.
Sir, it is because of lack of education and lack of moral values and ethics. So if any country wants to develop themselves, then they have to speed the education system and provide the morals and ethics awareness. Because if someone involves in terrorism, then you can take example of Pakistan. If they are involving in Pakistani people are involving in the terrorism cases, and then they are not developing themselves. So this is the reason. If we can we can provide them awareness, and we can schedule a meeting with them and to provide give awareness that yes, if you give education and if you give awareness to your students, your youth, then it is not going to happen, because it is if terrorist happens in any country, in Kashmir also, then it is disadvantage of both countries. If our children are being killed, then their terrorists are also being killed. So this is the reason. So if we lack of education is the main factor, and if any country wants to develop themselves, then they have to spread the awareness and education.
Yes, very good point by yes. Anyone, everyone should speak. Yes.
That the question is that who include this matter?
Yes.
So I think that our politician is very including this matter, because politician wants to hide the aim and fame, and with the help of terrorism he can do lots of bad working, and after something happened with the wrong side, then after the politician served the country and he wants to earn lots of fame. That's why I'm saying that terrorism politician has been including this matter.
Next, is he right?
I
Yes.
also want to one point. There is also the mob lynching. All the time we should see that when the mob lynching happen, then two communities are just fight to each other, and after that when they start doing, one person just come and try to pick those person they are affected by them, and after that they just spoke all the time. You see that what happened with us, you see that what happened with you, you see that what happened with you, and after that they just hypnotize them and start being trade.
Very good. Yes, very good point. Next, yes, Satyajit, you wanted to say something.
I think that the local people also support the terrorism, because when a terrorist cross the border, they want to live somewhere, and the local people also support them to live in their houses, and this will also increase the terrorism.
Yes, what is your opinion, Alok?
According to me, terrorism is very bad thing for countries, because terrorism has no humanity. It kills both what and they are normal people also. Also, government is taking action against terrorism, but what opposition leaders are saying that if government strikes surgical strike, then opposition leaders are raising question for proof, give me proof. Opposition leaders also have not believed on army, not government. That is also a matter.
Okay, very good. Yes. Next, Mubassir, what do you want to say?
I want to say that cross-border terrorism is a very sensitive theme of Pakistan, China problem. That's like it's a narrow-minded thing. In these places, uneducated people to promote this theme of cross-border terrorism, and it includes just bombing their sites on borders. They crack their our relations to neighbors. This is very bad thing. They demonetize politician of diplomatic thought. They programmed in the UN. They can say he is delivered terrorism. That's why it is a diplomatic thought.
Okay, yes, Inayatullah, what do you want to
I
say?
have one very big question.
Huh.
Who is funding them?
Yes, very good question.
How RDX came in India, and who is support them? This is the biggest question, because all the time we have to say when the bomb blast happening, first is RDX. Where RDX came from in India? It means that someone is also supporting from the India. That's why RDX come.
Yes.
RDX came in India. It means that also the politician.
Let him speak.
Politician is also supporting. It means that it's a direct connection. It means that we are elected, and we are just selected those persons who run the country. They are corrupted.
But how can we trust on them?
Yes, this is the main reason why we are
Yes, yes.
trusted on them, and what is the reason behind it, and funding and RDS given by them. Who is the more responsible?
Yes, Puskar, what do you want to say?
I just support Inayatullah. Politician is also involving for their personal interest in the terrorism, like in the West Bengal for the World Bank. Mamata Banerjee directly opened the border, and they are involving to the elections as well as in the periods of election, lots of persons they are.
That was another thing. We can't like that call. You are talking about in a state what is happening in between the states. We are not talking about here. We are talking about cross-border terrorism. Those who are coming from outside of country. Yes.
In the West Bengal, also outside of the persons, those who are not Indians.
But they were not criminals and they were not terrorists.
In the last month, happened that one of the minister had killed in the.
So they were the person who just killed that was not terrorist.
That was also a Bangladeshi. That was also
Bangladeshi is different thing.
Bangladeshi is also.
If you are living, Bangladeshis are living there, then we can't say that they are just terrorists. It has not proved by any.
I have proved. I will show that.
But our Indian government haven't proved, na.
Even the Supreme Court directly said it's a concern for the Indian security because of that lots of persons they are living in India
Yes.
without any identification.
But without any proof, we can't say anything, na.
They are because of that lots of persons they have no proper idea. They have no proper identification. But they are Bangladeshi and Nepali. They are living in India. They have no identity.
They are living because they have got the citizenship of there. But we can't say that they are criminals and they are terrorists.
Listen that if those persons they have no idea, that we can not easily to track that person or what is doing to that person. Even that one of the cases in the last month happened that one of the Bangladeshi ministers they are coming in India for the medical treatment in the Kolkata hospital. He was treated, but one of the persons that was Bangladeshi person is living in the Bangalore. They was working for the chicken cutting balls in the. But who are funded by the American person.
But what do you want to say exactly? Sally, what do you want to say? No. You are saying different thing.
One topic is arises here, who is funding the
Yes, this is the question.
cross-border. So I can say that our administration system is not responsible for that, and we can't blame any politician.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, I must say that the superpower China has funded the terrorist cross-border terrorist in India because China has their own advantage behind it, and it is the reason.
Which type of advantage? Can you tell?
Yes, China also wants to take the part in India, like Arunachal Pradesh, some of the area of Arunachal Pradesh. China wants to
Captured.
capture that area and occupy that area, and they also funded the Pakistan because Pakistan is China's friend. So yes, superpower countries are funding them.
But
Next, yes,
if
Anpurna.
they-
Listen. Anpurna wants to say something.
The another reason is for Kashmir. Although we know that Kashmir is the integral part of India, but Kashmiri wants that their own country, and that's why most of the terrorists are supporting them, and so Kashmiri are giving shelter to that terrorists in Kashmir, and they because of lots of attacks and lots of attacks happening in Kashmir, and that's why they are facing financial problem, and that terrorists are giving a handsome amount for taking shelter in Kashmir. So this is also a reason that's why the terrorists are taking shelter in India.
Okay, is there any new face? Yes, what do you want to say?
Sir, in this section here,
Any new face? I want listen. Yes.
in this section here, a question is that how the RDX has been transported into India. The answer is, what if the RDX has not been transported directly into India? What if the other terrorist party manipulate the youth of India and give them proper study about how to make RDX within the country with the available resources effectively and efficiently? Who is responsible for this? The government? I don't think so. If they are funded by the other terrorist group of other country, and they are giving them fund by the third means like other countries, some education like giving them education loans in the name of RDX for making the RDX, and they are building them, they are making the RDX within the country, and then they deploy that RDX to their main head in the country, and then they deploy the further plan within the country. And here, government is not involved directly. maybe there are some corrupt politicians are involved, but we cannot say that all the political parties, all the political structure has been involved directly.
Sir.
Yes. Is there any new face? First of all, I would like to listen any new face. Any new face? Just be ready, huh?
Actually, if we have to couch a 500 kg addict, it doesn't mean that they are just making a 405 kg addicts in India. It is not possible, sir.
I want to counter that. In the mining is using to the RDX in the mining field. So how you consider it is a not
In a mining field, they are not using those addicts, those used in the bomb.
So
First of all, you have to.
using to same
First of,
RDX.
no.
We are using
First
in
of
the
all, you
mining-
have to
mining-
know that.
yeah.
That's why,
In the
na.
mining
You
field,
have
we
a
are-
lack of knowledge about the two different addicts. That's why you are saying that.
It means that we are going to blast in the mining field. Same RDX we are using.
There is
to
a no, brother. There is not same RDX.
It means that you have no idea that about.
It means you don't have idea. That's
Here again, we are not here to discuss about only RDS. Here the question is that cross-border terrorism. So come on the point also.
Look
Yes.
that If we want to be a control to terrorism, then we have a need.
Give the solution that how can we control the terrorism.
If we want to be a control to solution, then we have a need to those countries they have the more affected to the terrorism. Come on the position, come on the one chairs and talk to each other how we can provide to the basic
Yes.
basic need for that person. Because of that, terrorism is fully of the manipulated persons. A person when any person they are going to manipulate, because of that they are facing to the basic necessity for like a health, education, food, that type of security they don't have it. Then they are trying to gain more and gain money, and they are coming under to the influence of the other persons. That is the manipulations they are doing to that type of the world. Terrorism is not only for the physical body, it is the mental thought. Like one of the thought is going to listen that terrorism and नाले पानी सेम तरह बहने वाले एक आइडिया है मकसद, इसे हटाना सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है.
Is there anyone who wants to give the solution of terrorism, cross-border terrorism? Yes. I want solution.
The solution of this thing that before they teach before they give studies or proper knowledge about how to destroy our country, and before that our government should give them a study to defend how to defend our country, our own country, and give them a proper training how to defend our country, and give youth a chance to defend our country, or to how to fight with the terrorism. That's all.
Next. Yes.
In my eye.
I want to say that our soldier has our soldier has capability to fight them and has training to fight them. But it is not the matter of giving training to soldiers. It is matter to adopt the technology more because it is the era of technology, and when we adopt the technology more, because with the help of AI we can firstly get the idea to what the terrorism, if it happens or not. If we get the idea earlier, then we can prevent ourselves, we can take a major actions for that. So firstly, strict border restrictions is the matter. Secondly, biometric, I have mentioned earlier that biometric system, sensors and drones, these three things can help to stop the terrorism in India. And yes, lack of education is also there. So many of even in India, mainly northeast states, area regions, people from that regions are demanding for autonomy and independence. So when our government and our society provide them awareness to live in India, because India is a very good country and India is a secure country, where in India every religions are treated same. So when we give the awareness of importance of equality, education, so this is also a measures that can be taken by government to reduce the terrorism. And of course the meetings that Pushkar has said, that we can organize a meeting on global level, and diplomatic relations we can India can improve the diplomatic relations with other countries, it also reduces the terrorism.
Okay, Inayatullah, you wanted to say something? Yes.
Actually, I want to say if a government
Solution, I want solution.
Yes, it's a solution. There is also one solution. Suppose that also the in a way of visitors, lots of terrorists also came in India. So if a person who just suppose that a person come from the USA, first of all you have to just confirm the USA embassy is the person is right or wrong. Is there any case happen in their country or not? And after due to suppose that if the verification is okay, then India allowed to visitors to come in India. Also there is also a good step taken by the government if a government should take this step.
Sumit, you wanted to say something?
If I will give the solution, then I will say the truth. This matter is not going to close, because when it's closed, when our country free from the financial problem, that's why this happened. Maybe this matter is closed, because if someone give to the money, that's a 10,000, 10 lakh, and I say that you should do this work, then the middle class family who need to the money, then he did this. That's why I'm saying that if our country will free from the financial problem, then maybe this matter was closed.
Okay, is there anyone new face? Is there any new face who wants to speak and want to give the solution? Yes, Hanupurna.
The solution to stop it will take a long time to stop the terrorist entering in our country, because finance is not a solution. I mean to say that economically, when we become economically independent, economically powerful, it is not a solution, because there is a mentality that is known as jihad. Jihadi mentality will not going to stop easily. It should be taken by the step of our country's people. They should understand the value of peacefulness, because in earlier we have seen in Afghanistan the power of Afghanistan government has taken by the terrorists, and the people of Afghanistan are facing lots of problems at that place, and so we should understand the value of peacefulness that our country's government has provided in the term of we can say that security that our government has provided in our country. So I think we should take steps to don't fall at that trap of terrorism. I think.
So what you have mentioned here, jihadi and communal violence, so it can be reduced by giving the strict punishment and also adopt the strict border restrictions. It can be reduced by only two ways. If anyone caught, if anyone catch involving in this attacks, and if they belong to any jihadi community, then government should encounter. Administration should encounter that people, and it will foster the fear in other people who also wants to come and attack in India. So it is also a matter of concern that India can take these measures, and India should take strict actions against those people, so it can reduce the terrorist attack.
But the problem is how we will identify the mentality of jihadis, because they are doing their work very ungrounded manner, and so it may be difficult to find out that people and to stop that mentality.
You are telling about the border security,
Yes.
but what if they develop the mindset within the country with the help of internet?
Yeah, I want to say that I will support by you. Elkin and community sector in the Indians, more than 600 shelter for they are supporting and they are preparing for the terrorists in the Indian border of India. Why we can overcome to it? Then we have a need to that use to technology for tracking to the terrorism involvement and terrorism activity. Then we can overcome to it. That is my suggestion.
I think Pakistan is giving shelter to that terrorist
solve the problem of terrorism.